In this video, we will be teaching you about the Immersion Blender, its uses, steps of operation, safety features, and cleaning methods. This is the Dynamic Mini Pro Immersion Blender. It is a lightweight, handheld mixer ideal for quick mixing and pureeing. It should be used for up to 1 gallon or 4 liters of mixing.
This is the Robot Coupe MP350 Turbo. It features an ergonomic handle, 14-inch shaft, detachable power cord, and a stainless steel bell and blade. The only difference between the two immersion blenders is the amount that they are capable of mixing. Use the Robot Coupe MP350 Turbo for bigger portions such as soups, and use the Dynamic Mini Pro for smaller portions such as a dressing. These immersion blenders are used for chopping, mixing, or blending. They are also used to puree sauces, dressings, soups, and batters.
To operate the immersion blender, plug the outlet into the wall. Then place the bowl with blade immersed into the food. Push the button, ensuring that you don't lift blade out of the product because this can cause food to splatter. Blend in a circular motion, focusing on areas that are still chunky.
To practice safety with this piece of equipment, the user must ensure that the cord and outlet are separated from any liquid or food product. It is also important to be careful when touching the blade and making sure that the piece of equipment is unplugged when not in use. Make sure that when you are ready to use the immersion blender that the head of the blade is immersed in the food product. It could cause harm if it isn't where it is intended to be.
In order to clean and sanitize the immersion blender, first fill a bucket up with soap and water. Immerse the blender into the bucket. Turn it on the slow setting to clean off any food debris. Then stop the blender and remove it from the soapy water. Repeat this process in a bucket filled with water only. Lastly, with the Dynamic Mini Pro, spray with the sanitizing solution and allow it to air dry. If using the large immersion blender, remove the head and spray both parts separately with the sanitizing solution. Allow both parts to air dry before further use.